In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social follow us to Unbounce website. By the end, you'll have clickable social icons on your landing page that open in a new tab, so visitors can follow you without leaving your site. First, open a new browser window and search for Unbounce. From the results, click the official Unbounce website to head to the platform. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would so you can access your pages and the builder. Inside your dashboard, choose the landing page you want to update. Click the three-dot menu next to that page and select Edit. This opens the Unbounce editor, where you'll add your social follow elements. In the editor, look to the left panel for the image element. Click and drag the image element onto your canvas and drop it where you want your first social icon to appear. You can always fine-tune the position later, but placing it near your header or footer typically works best. A pop-up will appear prompting you to choose an image. You can upload new images, like your Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn icons, or pick from any that already exist in your library. When you've selected the right icon, click Choose. For best results, use small, high-quality, square icons, ideally PNGs with transparent backgrounds, and keep all your icons the same size for a clean, consistent look. With the image selected, turn your attention to the right sidebar. Find the Click Action section. This is where you'll make the icon interactive. Set the action to go to URL. Then paste your social profile link, such as your Instagram page. Make sure you include the full URL with HTTPS so the link works reliably. Next, set the target to New Tab WAS window. This ensures your landing page stays open while your visitors explore your social profile, preserving your conversion flow and keeping bounce rates low. It's a small detail with a big impact. If you're adding multiple social networks, repeat these same steps for each additional icon. Drag another image element onto the page, choose the correct icon, set the click action to go to URL, paste the corresponding profile link, and set the target to open in a new tab. Align the icons evenly and space them consistently. A grid or equal spacing helps your section look polished and professional. That's all you need to add social follow us icons in Unbounce. Keep your branding consistent, verify each link, and you'll be ready to boost social engagement right from your landing page.